Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today we're going to do a quick comparison review between the Shirogorov F95R NL and the Shirogorov F95R Slim. Two beautiful options by Shirogorov. They're going to run you around $1,100 each because they are in the higher end of the Shirogorov production line. So these are the Three Bears line, so not the custom or not the lower end. In fact, they are both sporting M390 steel. Right over here, they have both MRBS multi-row bearing system pivot going on. They are both titanium frame lock. They are both 8.75 inch long overall, same length of the blade, same everything almost. What is different is there are some little details. For example, first thing, of course, this is the Slim, this is not. So this is gonna have a 3.5 millimeter stock thickness, whereas this guy has a 4. If you check the jimping over here, you will see that the F95R NL has a slightly different area, let's say not a swedge, but the milling out around the jimping is a little bit different than the Slim, which is more prolonged on the blade, and also the jimping is wider, you see, on the F95R NL, or like F95R, or like F95. This is the Slim version that has these kind of features. So both have internal skeletonization. The slabs, of course, are going to be different because the thickness, it's going to be, of course, thicker for the non-Slim version. The standoff is polished on this on the Slim, and it's just stone washed on the 95 regular non-Slim version. The clip is going to be exactly the same. The screws are going to be the same. In the case of the inlaid version, you see that there's a different cutout, different indentation over here. So you have the inlay, of course, here, and the area outside of the lock bar also has an indentation for the pocket, for your pocket edge to slide into the clip. In this case, you don't have anything. You see, you just have this area milled out over here, but nothing on the scale. Also, the weight is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be 4.6 ounces, and this is going to be 4.2 ounces. So a little bit lighter indeed. Everything else, I think it's pretty much the same. You have the same level of milling. Of course, here you see the stock thickness. You see the thickness of the slabs. You see that the flipper tab is a little bit of a slightly different design. Just you see, like this end over here, it's a little bit longer for the Slim version, but everything else, it's gonna be the same. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.